The next step for stablecoins and blockchain infrastructure is real-world utility. Not trading, not speculation, but everyday use cases like payroll and global payments. Toku's core mission is rebuilding the financial infrastructure around payroll. Today, global payroll is about $50 trillion of volume that runs on the same rails from World War II. And Toku's mission is to replace that with programmable, compliant, instant settlement through our stablecoin payroll API that integrates with legacy systems like Gusto or ADP. We joined the Global Dollar Network because it aligns perfectly with what we're building. It's a modern rail for payroll, and we want to build on regulated, interoperable stablecoins. Some stablecoins today are just rails, but with the Global Dollar Network, you get to share in the network's upside. So for us, it means that the more payroll that flows through USDG, us and our customers get to benefit collectively. Payroll isn't a place where you move fast and break things. We want stablecoin payroll to be adopted by everyone. A partner that's regulatorily aligned in all jurisdictions gives us confidence and should give our customers confidence. USDG is going to be the settlement layer for payroll. So when a company runs payroll, instead of going through 4 banks, 2 clearing systems, a corresponding network, and a couple days of waiting, the money can move instantly. We've grown tremendously since Genius has passed. The same companies that are looking at integrating stablecoins are looking at real-world use cases, which payroll fits right into. And so I think long-term, stablecoins are going to be the new substrate of all financial activity. So it's a game changer that more and more people are waking up to.